Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Scaffold. Scaffold is like a basic template for the Flutter app screen or page. It will provide a basic structure that include elements like AppBar, main content area like body. It also provides optional features like floating action button and the bottom navigation button. So it helps you to create consistent and structured layout for your Flutter application. Okay, so let me give you a simple example for this support. Okay, this will be a simple example for this support where I created this title. This will be our main body, and this will be our. I think let's start it again. Mm, okay, let's I think create it again. Okay, let's create this function. Okay, so here I will import package material UI material. Hmm. Void dot main. This will be the main entry point of our application. And here I will create one stateless widget inside my app. Builder context. Return this will return our material I. Inside this material app, I will create my home page. And here I have to create my home page. So my home page will be the stateless widget. Let's see. So here I am creating the stateless widget because our example does not contain any state which need to be modified. Context, context. So inside my home app page, I will use scaffold. This will return a scaffold. So scaffold contain multiple properties like my app bar, my app bar, which is this section. Here I will here I will create the title of it. Let's say this is the scaffold example, and in a while I should also run this. Let it run. So inside my scaffold, I will create one body as well. Body center to center the body. Here I will pass one text. Let's say hello everyone. So this app bar and the body will be the part of this scaffold. There are multiple properties inside our scaffolds. For example, it also gives the properties like, so it is showing errors because we have writing it here. Let's see, let's run it again. Okay, I think let's just complete our function first, then we can build this. Body, this will have center, child, task, let's say hello, and after it inside the scaffold I will create one floating button. Floating action button. Scaffolding floating action button is also a part of the scaffold. Let's say on press, this will be our function and it will print I am floating action button. Okay, let's say let's create one more element which is the bottom navigation button or bar. Inside this bottom navigation bar there will be a element. So let's say we have a bottom navigation bar element, and here I can add the icon Let's use icon.home, and let's just also add the label as well. So this will be this will be one home navigation item. We can add more. For example, let's add setting one as well, but this should be inside the this items only. Icon, same procedure for this as well. Icons dot settings, and also give the label to this as well. And we can also do one thing, like we can also add the function, like for example, if we click on this home button, print statement should be written like you have pressed this home button, you have pressed this setting. So let's see how can we create it. Mm, After the element, we can create on tab on tab index. Here I can pass the index, and inside this index I can give this, if the index is equal to 0, then we can print that our home button is clicked. We can do same for the setting as well. Okay, I think let's just also format our syntax as well. Mhm. Okay, let's just run it first. So it will take around 20 seconds to run it. In a while I will explain this scaffold as well. So here I return my scaffold. Inside the scaffold I have created a bar which have our title. I have created the body which have a text, and after the body I have created one floating action button which is also a part of our scaffold button, and one navigation bar which have two button. One is for home and setting. Okay, so let's see the example of it. And finally, this will be the example of it. So for example, if I click on this button, here it is printing that I am floating XML. Okay, let's also click on this home button. Let's see, is it working or not? Yeah. So our app, so our home button is clicked, showing inside our console. Let's see for the setting as well. So this will be the simple example for the scaffold. So scaffold can be more complex as complex, and I will try to explain this in a very simple way. So this is the simple example of the scaffold. Okay, thank you so much for watching.